right? What is an adjective? Describing more about a noun is called an adjective, right? In this lesson, degrees of comparison, we will learn positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. These are the 3 degrees of comparison. Now look at the examples. I will explain one by one. Baby giraffe is tall. What is the adjective here? Tall. Describing about baby giraffe, right? So the adjective as it is called what? Positive degree. Okay. So tall is in positive degree. Next example, monkey giraffe is taller than baby giraffe. Here, comparison between 2 people, animals or things are known as comparative degree. And here, taller is in comparative degree. You can find ER along with adjective. And then we have to use than in comparative degree because comparison between 2 people, animals or things are known as comparative degree. Okay. Next example, Papa giraffe is the tallest of 3. Here, tallest is the adjective and it is in superlative degree. You can find EST for superlative degree and before superlative degree you have to use the. Okay, so comparing more than 2 people, animals or things are known as superlative degree. Here, baby giraffe, mummy giraffe, papa giraffe. Among those, who is the tallest? Papa giraffe, right? So, tallest is in superlative degree. So, look at that. Positive degree, tall, the adjective as it is. Comparative degree, taller, you will add ER. And for superlative degree, EST, you will add. So, tall, taller, tallest. Look at one more example. Preeti is a young girl. What is the adjective here? Young. Okay. So, this is in what degree? Positive degree. The adjective as it is. Next example, Preeti's brother is younger than her. Comparing between Preeti and Preeti's brother. 2 people, right? So, younger. And you have to use than for comparative degree. Young, younger. Added ER for comparative degree. Next example, Preeti's sister is the youngest. Here, youngest is in superlative degree. Added EST and before the superlative degree, the is there. Okay. So, here comparing between Preeti's brother and Preeti's sister. Among that, Preeti's sister is the youngest. So, positive degree is young. Comparative is younger. Added ER and superlative is youngest. Added EST. Okay. Now we will learn the formation of degrees. Okay. So most adjectives form their comparative degrees by adding ER. Okay. ER for comparative and EST for superlative. Okay. Most adjectives form their comparative degrees by adding ER and their superlatives by adding ES to the positive. Okay. Next, if the positive ends in E, then R and ST are added to form the comparative and the superlative respectively. So, if the adjective ends in E, then in comparative degree you just have to add R. Already E is there, no need to add ER, just add R. And for superlative degree, just add ST. Already E is there. See, LARGE, large. So when it comes to comparative degree, you will write LARGER. Only you have to add R. Here largest, LARGEST. E already there, just you have to add ST to make superlative degree. Next, if the positive ends in Y, then the Y has a consonant before it, then Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. See the example, pretty ends in Y, before that T also consonant, then you have to take away Y and add I, then you have to add ER to make comparative degree. Okay, here you will add ER but you have to take away the Y and add I. Now for superlative degree, you have to take away Y and add I, then add EST to form superlative degree. Okay. Next, when the adjective of the positive superlative. So HOT, hot. When you write in comparative degree, HOTTER, hotter, HOTTEST, hottest for superlative degree. Next, when the adjective of the positive degree is a word of more than 2 syllables, we form the comparative by using the word more with the positive and the superlative by using the word most with the positive. So, if the adjective has more than 1 syllable, see obedient, this is obedient, more than 2 syllables, then to make comparative degree, we will add more. Okay, you cannot write obedienter, ER you cannot add. You have to write more for comparative degree and most for superlative degree. Okay. Next, there are some adjectives that do not follow any rules while forming their comparatives and superlatives. The following adjectives have very irregular comparisons. Some adjectives, they do not follow all these rules. They have irregular comparisons. See the examples given. Good, okay, that is the positive degree. When it comes to comparative degree, it is better. You cannot write good, gooder, goodest. That is wrong. Good in comparative degree, you will write better. In superlative degree, you will write best. So, good, better, best. Irregular, okay? It is not following the rules. Next, one more example, bad in positive degree. When it comes to comparative degree, bad will become worse, and in superlative degree, worst. WORST, worst. So, bad, worst, worst. Okay, children. Now we will move on to the TV exercises. Children, take page number 74. Formation of degrees. Most adjectives form their comparative degrees by adding ER and the superlatives by adding EST to the positive. First exercise, complete the following table. One has been done for you. Positive degree, thick. Comparative degree, thicker. Superlative degree, thickest. Add ER in comparative degree, EST for superlative degree. Here, longer is given. In positive degree, we have to write long. So, long, longer, longest. Next, poorest is given. In positive, poor. Comparative, poorer. Poorest already given. Next, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Greater given. In positive, great, greater, greatest. Next, shortest given. So, positive degree, short. Comparative, shorter, shortest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Deeper given, deep, deeper, deepest. Tallest given, positive degree, tall, taller, tallest. So, write this in your textbook, children. Next, if the positive ends in E, then R and ST are added to form the comparative and the superlative respectively. First one, large, comparative, larger, just added R. In superlative, largest, added just ST. Now next one, pure, comparative, purer, PURE, pure, just add R. Purer, purest, PURE, just add ST. Gentler given, write in positive, gentle, gentler, gentlest. Finest given, in positive, fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Braver given, brave in positive, brave, braver, bravest. Truest, true, truer, truest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Nicer given, nice, nicer, nicest. Next, if the positive ends in Y and the Y has a consonant before it, then The Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. See, in positive degree EC, Y ending, before that also a consonant. So in comparative degree, take away the Y and add I, then you have to add ER. So EC, easier, easiest in superlative degree. Next, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Lazier given in positive, lazy. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Loveliest given, so in positive degree, lovely. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Sorry, here E should be written. Lovelier, loveliest. Next, funny, funnier, funniest. Luckier given, so in positive, lucky. Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Driest, dry, drier, driest. Merrier given, merry, merrier, merriest. Heavy given in positive, so comparative, heavier, superlative, heaviest. Next, when the adjective of the positive degree is a word of one syllable and has a single consonant at the end, the last consonant doubles before adding ER and EST. One syllable or a short word, okay, single consonant at the end, then you have to double it before adding ER and EST, okay. Hot, hotter, last consonant is T, so we will double before adding ER, so hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, last consonant is D, so we will double the last consonant before adding ER. Sadder, saddest. Thinner given in positive, thin. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Fattest, so in positive, fat, fatter, fattest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Redder given in positive, red. Red, redder, reddest. Dimmest given, so in positive, dim. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. When the adjective of the positive degree is a word of more than two syllables, we form the comparative by using the word more with the positive and the superlative by using the word most with the positive. See the first one, useful. We have to write more useful. Usefuller we can't write. So in comparative we will write more useful, and in superlative most useful. Beautiful, more than two syllables. So in comparative we will write more beautiful, most beautiful in superlative. More important given. So in positive we will write important. Important, more important, most important. Most difficult given, so we will write in positive, difficult. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Next, more faithful given, so in positive we will write faithful. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Next, most courageous is given. So in positive we will write courageous, comparative, more courageous, superlative, most courageous. Next, industrious. More industrious, most industrious. More proper. Proper, more proper, most proper. Most dangerous given. So in positive, dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Next, there are some adjectives that do not follow any rules while forming their comparatives and superlatives. The following adjectives are very irregular comparisons. I will just read, listen carefully. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. Late, later, latest. Much, more, most. Far, further, furthest. For distance. Far, further, furthest for movement. Old, older, oldest for age. Old, elder, eldest for relation. Then Do not use the double comparative and superlative. More, better, more, farther, most loveliest, most sweetest. Like that we cannot double the comparative and superlative. Better is already in comparative, right? Then again you cannot add more. Okay. The correct expressions are much better, much farther, most lovely, most sweet. Okay. Next main, fill in the blanks using the suitable degree of adjectives. India is dash than Japan. Large is given in bracket. Here than is there, right? So that is in comparative degree. So we have to write larger. India is larger than Japan. Next, this is the dash book I have ever read. Interesting, more than 2 syllables. So you have to use most. The is given, right? So it is in superlative degree. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. Next, lead is the dash of all metals, heavy. So it is in superlative degree. The is here and it's comparison of more than 2 things. So it is in superlative degree. Lead is the heaviest of all metals. Next, some people believe that squash is the dash sport of all, difficult. So it is in what? Superlative degree. The is given, so most difficult sport of all. Next, which is the dash mountain in the world? High. It is in superlative, right? Highest. Next, the owl is said to be the dash of all birds. Wise given, superlative degree, wisest you have to write. Next, you look dash today than you looked yesterday. Cheerful. Than is here, that is another clue that it should be in comparative degree. Cheerful, more than 2 syllables, so write more. You look more cheerful. Next, iron is the dash of all metals. Useful. The is given, it is in superlative degree. Iron is the most useful of all metals. Next, flying planes is dash than riding horses. Difficult. Comparing between flying planes and riding horses, so more difficult. Health is dash than wealth. Comparison between 2. Important is given, so comparative degree, more important. He was the dash child of all. Clever. It is in superlative, so write cleverest. Next, the weather this winter is even dash than last winter. Bad. Comparative degree of bad is worse. Antarctica is the dash continent in the world. Cold. Superlative degree, so write coldest. Next, tennis is a dash game than football. Safe. Comparison between 2, so comparative degree, safer. That robber is the dash man in the state. Dangerous given, it is in superlative degree, so write most dangerous. Next, Rohan finds science dash than mathematics. Easy. Comparison between 2. So, in comparative degree, easier. He is one of the dash singers. Good. It is in superlative, so superlative degree of good is best. Next one, Tokyo is the dash city in the world. Expensive. It should be in superlative, so most expensive. Their rooms are dash decorated than yours. Good. Comparison between 2, so comparative degree, better. Next, my grandfather is dash than your grandfather. Old. Comparison between 2, so in comparative degree, older. So children, all of you copy this in your textbooks without mistakes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you.